out of play. So the numbers again, 510 and 534. So Freeport with some nice touches, build up, play slow, nice ball, poor control. Tunapuna has the ball for a spot kick. So both teams are a little tentative, and we are yet to see any real threat on each goal. So Freeport with a high press, high pressure, a long ball. Freeport with a control number 12. What can you do? And a shot at goal defended by Tunapuna. Ball for a throw. So we have a throw to Freeport. A throw on the next half of the field. Nice little touch. Ball out of play. Hard tackle by Tunapuna. So we have Tunapuna ball. There's an alarm that is ringing off in the car park. Could anyone check? And a shot by Freeport over the post.
Waka.
Tunapuna with a nice ball intercepted by Freeport, some nice small touches. Freeport has a ball intercepted by Tunapuna.
PBS 6482.
PBS 6482. Your car alarm is ringing off the hook. So Freeport has a throw. Throw taker number 7, well, good control. Freeport on the counter attack, intercepted by Tunapuna. Tunapuna still has the ball. Ball played to the center. Freeport intercepts. Number 10. Looking for some nice little cheeky ball. Tunapuna applying some pressure in a dangerous area of the field. And a free kick to Freeport. So the referee is speaking to the player for what seemed to be a dangerous tackle. And all is well. So play resumes. Tunapuna, nice chest, nice ball, good intention, but outside for a goal kick to Freeport. So we have the both teams still trying to get their bearings. Freeport attempting to do the tiki-taka touches, touch and move, pass and move, some nice little touches. Tunapuna stopping them. So there's no real penetration by either side. Freeport continue to press. Tunapuna with a good interception. So two young teams, some nice little interplay, ball given away to Tunapuna. So we have some, so the passes are not connected, the final passes are not connecting. We have some play being broken up. Tunapuna with a counter attack and intercepted by number 10. So Freeport on their counter attack. Nice ball. What do we have across the park? Tunapuna defends well. So Tunapuna in the Barca colors and Freeport in a nice black strip. So throw to Tunapuna. There's no urgency being shown, so both teams seem to be contented with a stroll in the park. We're expecting some fire. Tunapuna with a throw. Can we see some kind of penetration and equalizer? And a nice ball and over the post. So a good attempt by Tunapuna from a long throw. Freeport got to be careful. Ball played on the width. Cutting across the center to the next To the next side, a hard tackle by Tunapuna, closing down the play. Freeport again trying to build in the center of the park, and a shot. Tunapuna has the ball. Intercepted by Freeport, number 7, hustling. He's a busybody. Some nice little crossovers and a shot wide of the mark. So we have a corner from Freeport, and there's some urgency being shown. A small touch, number 7. You look like you have some quick feet and over. Number 7 again. Ball play to the center. Tunapuna keeping them at bay. There's no penetration. Tunapuna has the ball. There's a counter attack on. Ball intercepted by Freeport. And number 4 has the ball. He's winding up for a shot, but it seemed to be a powder shot. Tunapuna has the ball. Poor control. Freeport. So Tunapuna is turning over the ball a little too much, and Freeport seem to have the better of the exchanges. Nice control by Freeport. And a shot, deflection, corner to Freeport. So both teams seem to be settling into their own rhythm. Tunapuna keeping Freeport at bay. Freeport giving away a throw to Tunapuna. So we have an interception by Freeport. Freeport has control, some nice touches between number 4. And a shot way over the post. So Tunapuna with a pass to the center, some nice good control, one touch control, some nice touches, one touch play, and there's an opportunity for Tunapuna, poor control, but another opportunity for Tunapuna. Good interception by number 10 for Freeport. Throw to Tunapuna. So some nice touches, some nice interplay by both teams. A long throw. Who can you find? Defended well by Freeport. So again, some touches here. Nice play. Number 10 has the ball. Some nice close control. Looking for his player. Tunapuna intercepts, and there's a counter attack. Tunapuna, young guns on the counter attack. What does he do? Cross it, and there's a chance, and there's a goal! Goal from the side of the east. Tunapuna has equalized against all odds. Tunapuna.
1-0. They take the lead.
1-0, sorry, my bad. I got excited there for a minute. So you know how it does go. So it's 1-0. I stand corrected. 1-0 by Tunapuna. So what can Freeport do? So we have a game on, ladies and gents, brothers and sisters. So the side from the east has the lead. Intercepted by Freeport. Number 4, some nice touches and defended well by Tunapuna. So good pressure by Tunapuna. Spot kick to Tunapuna. So in the first half, Tunapuna 1, Freeport 0. Both teams playing well. Some nice touches. Tunapuna again on the counter attack. Some nice build-up play, a shot defended by Freeport. Looking to control the ball out of their own box. Tunapuna controls well. What can he do on the wing? A nice shot over the post. So Tunapuna is showing some confidence, ladies and gents, brothers and sisters. And Freeport have their work cut out for them. Intercepted by Tunapuna. So a lot of ball is being intercepted by Tunapuna now, as they have Freeport have possession. Number 12, some nice little footwork. Tunapuna keeping them at bay. And a nice shot by number 12, and another shot again. Takes a deflection, is a corner. Tunapuna 1, Freeport 0. So goals win matches and not fancy footwork. So a nice little touch and a free kick in a dangerous area. a foul committed by Tunapuna, could they pay the price? So the side from Central. In a dangerous area. In a dangerous area, what can they do? Tunapuna defense well. Looking for a quick build up. Freeport intercept. Nice touch. And what? Out for a throw. So Freeport looking to equalize. And Tunapuna is holding them at bay. Freeport some. So Tunapuna with a long ball. Poor control. Freeport has possession. Down on the line, controlled by Freeport. Some nice shielding. Throw to Freeport in Tunapuna half of the field. A nice throw. Number 10 has the ball. What does he do? He turns, he pivots. Nice little footwork. He's on top of the box. What does he do? And a shot at the post. Number 10 has the ball again and out for a throw. But Freeport is looking dangerous. They're looking to equalize. And Tunapuna is looking to prevent that. So Tunapuna has a throw. Intercepted by number 7. Tunapuna has the ball again. They're looking for a counter-attack to put pressure on Freeport. Tunapuna has the ball. And there's a dangerous ball. Freeport down the road. Up and over. Well done, defender. So Tunapuna has the ball. Freeport seem to be giving away the ball recklessly of late. Tunapuna with a long ball intercepted by Freeport. What does number 9 do? Number 7. Some nice little touches to number 9. A nice little pivot, a nice little roly-poly. He skips one. Past the number. What kind of ball is that? But anyhow, control on the tie and out for a throw to Tunapuna. So Tunapuna has the ball. Freeport looking at the pressure. Ball behind the lines and defending. Tunapuna has a corner. So some pressure being applied by Tunapuna. Freeport trying to break the shackles but unable to. So let's see what Tunapuna does. A short corner, half possession. He's shielding like he's buying time. Some nice shielding. And ball to possession to Tunapuna. So semi-final number 1, Tunapuna 1, Freeport 0. So Tunapuna seem to be playing for time. It's a throw to them. Freeport wants play to resume. So it seems to be a long throw. Into the heart. Defended by Freeport. Defended well. Tunapuna shot and a throw. So we have Tunapuna being very tactical in their approach. And a wasted throw by Tunapuna. And Freeport has possession. So what does Freeport do? Usual build-up play. Some nice little small touches. Nice control, poor control there. He gains control and poor control is a throw to Tunapuna. So a little too cheeky for Freeport. So Tunapuna with a throw. What would it be? A long ball. And the Freeport have defended well by Freeport. Freeport have an opportunity. Some nice touches. To number 9. What does he do? And a shot over the post. So there was a sniff of the goal, but no goal. Tunapuna has possession. He's still in the first half. A nice free-flowing game. And the referee has called half-time. 1-0 to Tunapuna with the advantage. Both teams played well. Took a little while to settle. We have had an interesting first half, brothers and sisters.
You can break a key, eat something.
My sister living in Saudi. Good, huh?